Hey, that's how a tour works, people.
Excuse me.
You gotta stay with the guide. Hi.
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 Can I help you?
Okay. All right, now, people, I got a fast pass to a very educational film called Why Lobsters Won't Share. They're shellfish. I'm here for your entertainment pleasure, people. You're still here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to start a show.
Oh, good for you.
Okay. Who are you?
Oh, well, who am I?
Yeah.
I am the god of all things tourists.
Okay.
I am Joe. Get out of town. That's totally cool.
No way.
Hey.
You are the Guano Joe.
Why, you heard of me?
The world famous traveler, explorer, adventurer. You're that Guano Joe.
I am a tour guide now. This is my runaway tour group right here.
Well, what an honor. Joe, around here you're a legend.
Oh, get out.
I've always wanted to meet you.
What?
My name's Karen.
Karen?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm sorry I interrupted your show.
This is actually pretty cool because this is your tour group.
Well, yeah.
They're seated.
Yeah.
You're up on stage.
Yeah.
You can help me with the show. Come on. You'd be like a celebrity guest.
Be in your show?
In the show.
Is my tour group here? I would love to do that. That sounds like fun. What do I do? What do I do?
You can help me introduce all the birds. Now, guys, this should be great.
Whoa.
What?
Introduce all the birds.
Yeah, it's a bird show. Somebody has to call them out.
Whoa. It's a bird show.
Yeah, it's a bird show.
Listen, he knows to land on my hand.
She put something.
Why are you putting on a leather glove?
No reason. You focus on baby Elvis. It'll be fun.
People, get out your cameras. This is where dreams come true. Baby Elvis. Everybody, call him out.
Baby Elvis!
That bird ate baby Elvis. That bird ate baby
That
Elvis.
is baby Elvis.
That's a baby?
Yeah, it's a baby king vulture.
A vulture?
Yeah.
They didn't tell me it was going to be a vulture, much less their king.
It's not king of the vultures, it's the king vulture. Am I taking over?
I'm not touching a vulture.
I'll take over. King vultures are found in South America. Believe it or not, considered to be some of the most gorgeous vultures in the world.
Oh, what?
I know, he doesn't look like much now, but when he's fully mature, he's gonna have those white creamy feathers all over his body. Here he
Oh,
goes.
boy, watch out.
And his head is gonna have yellow and orange and red all over it. They're beautiful. But Joe is still a vulture. I didn't think you'd be afraid of him. You know what they eat.
Yeah, they eat tour guides.
And our crown crate, there's one joining us right over there with Joy. Now he's gonna jump to the top of that stump. And everyone, check out this bird's 6-foot wingspan as he flies to me on stage. Get ready.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Joe, this is Fraser.
Fraser?
Fraser Crane. Crown cranes, they get their name from the tufted golden feathers on top of their head. Hey, Joe.
What?
I got extra food here. You want to feed Fraser?
No, he's big. I want you feeding him.
Come on, we all want to see Joe feed Fraser, right?
Okay, I'll try. What do I do?
Make
He's
a
close.
bowl with your hands.
Make a bowl like
bowl.
this?
Yep. And then he's going to eat out of your hands. Are you
He
ready?
is?
Yep, here it goes.
Right here.
This is Hope. And Hope truly is a living symbol of one of the most remarkable conservation stories of our time. You see, not long ago, bald eagles, they were in danger of extinction. Their numbers dropped so low, so fast. Many people feared future generations would never get a chance to see a beautiful bird like her in the wild. But just when things looked their worst, that's when something incredible happened. People came together. We're not inheriting this planet from our parents. We're simply borrowing it from our children.
Friends, the heart and spirit of all living creatures share a common connection. So on behalf of all the creatures up here, we'd like to leave you with this wish. May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar forever.
So for For lunch, we both got a chicken sandwich, one with fries, one with apples for us to split. I was going to get the black bean burger, but then at the last minute I saw where it's spicy, and I don't do spicy. And the cheesecake, and it looks like somebody left us a little pail. This is what one of the kids' meals comes in. And we are at the restaurant Asaurus in Dino Land, obviously. So it took me a second to figure out why they had pails. Like, why would they have beach pails here? Yeah. And then I'm like, oh no, that's for digging in the fossils. That makes sense. Do y'all see that face? Do y'all know what that means? That means she did it again. I swear this child. Go this way. She went to go dump our tray. Now granted, there's a cast member getting ready. He had just emptied the trash. She's going to dump our tray. But then somebody else on the other side of the trash can,
like, dumped theirs in really fast.
Dumped his in at the same time. And she evidently stuck the tray in too far. His food hit her tray, and she dumped the tray in the trash can. And the cast member had to open the trash can back up and dig out her tray. Only my dog.
Rex, we also have some green wing macaws flying around. Ruby red colored macaws with the green band of feathers on your wing. And we also have Da Vinci. Da Vinci isn't here yet, but when you look for him, he'll be a green macaw. One of the only all green macaws we have. Huge help. Also, if you want to learn more about birds like Da Vinci flying in right here, you can go to birds.org, which is World Parents' website. You can learn all about these guys in the wild, and you can help us see them further, because I see you all taking a bunch of pictures. If you post those pictures to social media, using the hashtag DisneyWings4Wildlife, spelled before F-O-R, DisneyWings4Wildlife, hopefully we can get all these pictures together. If you say
Well, baby, this is it. We just left Animal Kingdom and waiting for the bus to go back to the resort to catch the Magical Express to go home. I don't want to go home. And we have ate way too much food. I do not think we're doing the dining plan next time, just because I have ate more than in 4 days, well 5 days technically, than I normally eat in a week and a half. It's just insane. It's just way too much food. So next time, no dining plan and maybe an extra day at the park. What was that? What was that? Huh? Oh, happy birthday, baby. We have used our last 3 snack credits and bring in Lakeland a Goofy cookie and Langley a Cinderella cookie, and Skyland's getting this for her friend. We'll see if Mickey makes it or if she eats it before she gets home.
I'm full.
Well, it's time to go home. Sad face. Okay, the creative side of me wanted to record that. So I don't know if this is good or bad, but we just overheard the airline people say that this plane right here, after our flight, it's going into retirement, that this is its last flight. Yeah, that's not reassuring. You should have seen the look that all of us sitting here waiting gave each other when we heard that. Thank you. So these are the 3 pins that we got while we were at Disney, and I brought them home because my son is the big pin guy. We got the Pop Century one because that is where we stayed, and of course a 2015 one, and the special annual pass holder one. And then I did buy a mystery pack, so I purposely did not open it there to bring it home for him to open. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna guess what it is. I'm gonna guess.
There's no way to guess because you don't know what the options were, silly.
I know, but I wondered if there was a shape that I would find.
Okay. So open it up, and what did we get? Oh, Goofy! I love Goofy! Oh yeah, they were all train ones. So yes, I am very happy with that surprise one.